All right, what's good, YouTube? We back. Your boy Don Montclair. All right, so we got something. We got another update. Got something that just came in there. All right, we're gonna be putting this on a little later. Ain't gonna be able to do it and film it. I'm gonna have to do this with both hands. But we have our tail tidy. Y'all know I had to peek into it already, so we got the instructions right here. Okay, so I wanted something that wasn't gonna tuck it too far back. Okay, I don't want to go way back there and get pulled over by the police everywhere I go, man, because some counties don't like bikes, bro. Just straight up. Some counties will let you meet and do your thing without, as long as you don't rail bomb and stuff like that. But some places just don't like it. They don't like motorcycles. They don't like anything that goes faster than them on the road. So therefore, I'm not giving them a reason to dick with me every time. All right, so of course it comes with your screws. You know what I mean? Got your instructions right there. Come with some stickers. I won't be using this on the bike. That definitely won't happen. I dig this. This is rubber. This is made out of rubber right here. So if you put it on your bike keychain, you won't have to worry about it scuffing up your triple tree. Here's the actual mount itself. And then you got some odds and the ends in here. Some ties, some stuff to put, some stuff to help stash some wires away, But here's the main piece. It's this bad boy right here. And it's just like that. As simple as that, man. And I do want to add my turn signals on there, because I like riding at night and I want people to be able to see me. So, yeah. So this is what we went with. Now, in the future, there could be an upgrade to where we do tuck it in there, But for now, I just kind of want to get rid of this big old thing right here, and I want to get rid of the side reflectors. But I just wanted something that wasn't gonna tick off the police, man. I don't have time to deal with them. I got my second traffic, my second traffic violation ticket, man, less than a month ago, and my insurance for this bad boy went up a whole fucking lot. You know what I'm saying? It went up a whole lot. So that's my second one. I got 4 points. So I ain't got time to be fucking with them, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I got to I want to continue to ride this beautiful machine, but I don't want to make car payments just to ride it. You feel me? So that'll probably be one of my next videos, is the actual cost of owning a 1000. That'll be my next, just to give y'all some insight on that, because I know a lot of people want to know, like, what did you have to go through on the dealership? Of course, I had a trade-in and I put some money down. What do my payments look like? How many years did I finance this for? What about insurance? Insurance is a big thing, because you gotta have insurance, especially on a new bike. Brand new. So, what did your insurance look like? Who am I with? What all did I get? Because I got some extra stuff on mine. After dealing with a lot of towing issue with the R1, when it, just kept going down and this, just needed new stuff every now and then and that and the third. So it left me stranded in a lot of places. So, of course, with the insurance, I definitely had to beef it up. Even though this is a new bike, I don't think it'll leave me stranded anywhere. But you never know, and I don't want to pay $300 just to get it back to the house. 300 plus, because every time I've towed the R1, even if it was just 10 miles down the road, it still was $250 plus every time. So therefore, you know, we just learn from our mistakes. That's it. So this is all we got right here, man. I'm actually going to start putting this on in a few. I'm gonna eat first, and then we're gonna throw this bad boy on here, and then I'll have cuts throughout the video or throughout the installation process that if I think y'all need to see, man, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, so let's get back to it, and yeah, y'all get to see the finished product and along the way product. Until I get me I need a tripod. Whenever I get a tripod, it would be good, but yeah. Look at no curves. But yeah, all right, I'm out. All right, guys, we back. Making some progress. Got the tail off, as you can see. Yeah, we got the tail off. Had to move some stuff. Right now, we're currently about to take this little piece off right here. Take this little piece off. That way we can. Here's where the wires are at right here. So we're gonna go run these all the way back through here, all the way back in that way, and that way we can go ahead and, cause this is already, it's ready to come off. So just a little update on that. I wish I had a tripod, man. That way I could I can film this whole process, man. You know. But I don't. So all right, we'll be back. All right, so I'm back, and all right, so we finally got that all the way off. That's totally gone. Got the wires out of there. See there, boom, boom, boom. A lot of people, this is the part where a lot of people don't go back with the flashers or the light for the license plate, but I did. Hey, I paid for it. I'm gonna use these. You know what I'm saying? You pay for the flashers, might as well use them. You know what I'm saying? But see how I put that back in there. Use the same grommets that came off the tail tidy. If y'all can see them, with those two little screws right there, and I just ran those back up in there to give it that light. And same thing with the flashers. You got those on each side. You got a screw, and then there's like two plates. You just really just take that off, and then just squeeze those back on there. You see how I did that? And this is how it came out right here. So if y'all are interested in this tag, this license plate holder, then there we go. So yeah, we're gonna put it back on, button everything back up, man, and call it a day, man. You know what I mean? I'll update y'all on the process. All right, guys, we got her finished. She's all done. She's all done. I'm gonna tell you this, it wasn't as simple as I thought it was gonna be, but it was simple enough. I was able to transfer my tag light. Both blinkers work. Matter of fact, I tested it earlier, but we'll test it again. So we got this side working. And then we got this side working. And then the tag light. And that's perfect for me, man. I ain't no hooligan. I'm not trying to run from no police or nothing like that. Like I said, I need my license. I don't need no more points on my license. Got enough points on there. So yeah, that was it, man. It didn't take long. I just took a lot of breaks in between. Had some beers, chopped it up with some family. It's actually the 31st, so we almost in the first. So yeah, but that's what it looks like though. Easy swap over. Just swap everything over to that, and then you're good to go, man. All right. So I'm about to clean up this mess that I got right here, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the flip side, man. All right, done. Yo.